Cool. First we install the paper and we adjust the mechanicals. Open the cover. Place the paper into the tractor sprockets, left and right side. Then center the paper so the two tractors are symmetrically aligned. Fix the two tractors with the thumb wheel screws. Now they are fixed. Now we adjust the side trimmers left and right. This should be the side margin. We adjust the blue arrow to the desired cut position. Fix it again with the thumb wheel screw. Also on the right side, we adjust the blue arrow to the desired margin and fix the side trimmer with the thumb wheel screw. We close the tractors again. If you need to adjust the fine position of the side cut, we have those fine adjustment screws, and the same applies for the tractors. We have fine adjustment screws to fine adjust the whole paper. That's it for the mechanical adjustment. On the back side, we also have a look onto the ejector wheels. The ejector wheels should be aligned. When we see the paper coming out, we will have a look on it again. Okay. Before turning power on, we push all the 4 little buttons. Then we turn power on. And then we wait until we see the OK message on the screen. OK. And we leave the 4 buttons. The 4 buttons are necessary to get into the programming mode. It's like a password. Our form size 11" is 66 times 1/6 of an inch. And this has to be programmed in the parameters. We push the prog button. We see the length. We push the input button. And now with the cursor position, which we can select, we put in 66 times 1/6 of an inch, which is the full size of the paper, 11". OK, exit, F4 button. If we want to cut out the perforation with a strip, we go to the next parameter, C, cut size. If we want to do a double cut of 1/6 of an inch, we simply select double cut 1/6 of an inch. The double cut is calculated automatically off from the total form size. There is no need to change the form size. The form size still remains the full length of the paper. Last thing we can select, if you want to stop the cutter on a preset number of papers, we can go into the counter. Let's say 10 sheets. We can clear and reset the counter, so we start from 0. And on the parameter E, counter function, we select stop. This means after 10 sheets, the machine will stop. Programmation is ready and we can insert the paper. Paper is being placed into the tractors again. After the start, the machine will automatically drive to the photosensor and from here to the blade to find the first initial cut position. You will see.
Okay.
So one thing is important when we switch power on. Before inserting paper, push one time the start button. This is the first initialization of the machine to find its home position. This is important before inserting paper. Now we can insert paper. The machine will drive back to the photosensor and to the blade on the first start. We push the start button. The paper is inserted. We do one trial, start and stop. And the machine cuts one paper. We can adjust the side rollers. On the exit, we can adjust the top rollers by putting our fingers inside and sliding them to the left and right. And we slide them to the outermost position, left and right. Also, we adjust the guides with the magnetic stoppers so that the paper blocks between the two side guides to prevent the paper catching into the sheets already on the tray. This is the adjustment for the side alignment, which helps the paper keeping an upright position. So we turn power on, we hit the start button once for the initialization. We put the paper onto the tractor, close the lid, hit the start button once, paper runs to the blade, and we can start continuous run or a single sheet start and stop. Was the first trial or single sheet. We can adjust the speed. In the moment we will select speed 1 just for demonstration, and now we go into continuous run. 10 sheets and the machine stops. We reach 10 sheets. We start the next time. After the next 10 sheets it will stop again. These are the double cut stripes, 1/6 of an inch in size. If the perforation is not in the center, but you want to get it into the center, we go onto the screen with the fine adjustment button, and with this button we can move the paper position forward or backward against the blade and therefore adjust the double cut stripe into the center.